This is how to transfer an RRSP account from the Bank of Montreal or BMO over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys have the app open, go to the bottom and select the icon with the arrows. Once you're here, scroll down to where it says Accounts and then press Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Then press Get Started. Under Most Popular, if you were to scroll down, you should come across the Bank of Montreal. Select it. Now select where your investments are located. So for this example, I will just select the top one and then press Next. You can then sign into the Bank of Montreal through the app for a faster experience by pressing on Next, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will be doing for this example. Because you want to transfer over an RRSP account, make sure that that account is selected and then press Next. Once you're here, you can then add the details that are required, and once that is done, you should be able to initiate the transferring of the account. So that is how to transfer an RRSP account from BMO to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.